Welcome to second episode of Anybody Can Cook. I'm Deep. Let's start. Today I am talking about some chicken preparation. Chicken is the most popular to eat in all of the world.
Acha.
Today I am making roast chicken. It's the most popular dish in Western culture. Butter chicken, homemade chicken curry, they are from India. Roast chicken is come from Germany. The main thing in this preparation, temperature, timing and the marination. Leek, celery, whole onion, whole garlic and carrot for mee poa. Butter and fresh herbs like thyme, rosemary for herb butter. Root vegetables like whole garlic, whole onion, baby carrot, baby potato are needed for the side dish.
Last one, you must take a whole chicken with skin.
These are the ingredients, the need for the recipe.
Meanwhile,
First, stuff the chicken with roughly chopped mee poa. Please add salt and pepper in mee poa. Then marinate the chicken with herb butter. You can also add chopped garlic in it. Do not add salt, but you can add crushed pepper in it. Keep in refrigerator for some time.
a few moments later.
Then preheat the oven 180 degrees Celsius. First cover the chicken with silver foil or something else, then put it in the oven for 1 hour. Cover helps the chicken to tender, soft and juiciness.
1 hour later.
Remove the cover and put it back in oven for good color.
Ladies and gentlemen, the food is ready to be served. Those who are interested can proceed to the dining hall. Thank you.
Serve with some red wine jus and some roasted vegetable.
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
What is mirpova? Mirpova is an aromatic flavor base made by lightly cooking veg. What is a jus? Jus means brown sauce. Brown sauce takes 48 hours to make. It's a long process. I'll tell one day how to make brown sauce. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying my video, please subscribe my channel.